If India is a story, Rajasthan feels like one of its most colorful chapters, written in golden sand, caved into ancient forts, and carried through generations. Hi, buddies, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are opening another page of our Journal of India and we are traveling to Rajasthan. I have never actually visited Rajasthan, so this isn't a journal of my travel memories. Instead, it's my little wish to visit journey. Discovering Rajasthan through its cities, colors, architecture, traditions, and stories. From the pink streets of Jaipur to the blue lanes of Jodhpur, the lakes of Udaipur, the golden walls of Jaisalmer, and the vibrant Pushkar. Let's explore what makes each of these places so special. And with every place, we discover another little piece of the Rajasthan story. So let's begin our Rajasthan journey one page at a time. places live on maps, some lives in memories, and some live quietly in our dreams, waiting for the day we finally arrive. Rajasthan has been one of those places for me. Today, I travel there with paper and colors. Someday, I hope to travel there with my own footsteps. Tomorrow, we are leaving the desert behind and heading towards the mountains. We are traveling through the Himalayas from Kashmir and Ladakh to Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, discovering the places, stories, and beauty hidden among those mighty mountains. So I'll see you tomorrow for another chapter of our Journal of India.